years.
Meatloaf, double meatloaf. I hate meatloaf.
All right, take it easy. Where's the screwdriver? I'm just gonna open up his mouth and I'll stop it again.
Daddy,
My mother was more subtle.
how does it look to you?